listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Let me tell you now, we are creating an application, right? Most of the times in real-time scenarios, you will not do this part. This part will be taken care of by some senior level architects. Because you will not create a new application, right? You will just work on an existing or already created application. Most of the times, like 90% of the time, until you get some very good experience, like it's some 10 years or 15 years of experience in Pega, you will not create a new application. Understood? This part is not that important, but you just need to know the navigation, how to do. You can click on a new application. I mean, before that, is there any general setting or setting up of environment? No required. Directly new application, right? Directly new application. Before this, you can create an operator ID. Can you click on that right click? Not on the right. You can do the left side. You have closed this panel, right? I need to close this one. No. Left side. You used to get these records. Those things you used to get right. Left side. Left side panel. Left side panel. Can you keep your cursor to the extreme left? No. In the below only. Click on the records. Click on the records. Click on the organization. Spend organization. The operator ID. You try to create one operator with your name. I think you are logging in with admin operator ID, right? You can click on the top. Create. Is there right? Click on create. No, it's installed one. Still, it takes some time to bring the screen. My page did it on. After installation, does it depend on the internet or what? No, it will not depend on the internet. You can write your name, short description, operator. You can write your Chitan and Chitan. Both are same. No operator ID is not required. See, never mention the role name against one description. See the rule, name itself is operator ID, right? Don't mention again operator ID. What you are saying? I just need to write the name. Chetan is fine. This one is a short description, right? Correct? Nothing. Short description is shown as a mandatory field, while operator ID is not a mandatory field. Short description in the sense that is an ID. It will take that as an ID. You can click on create and open. Is both supposed to be same? It's if you have given the same. Actually, in our organization one, they will give an email ID. One thing, they will give an email. I click on save. Now full name is Chetan and email is also Chetan if you saw. And access group you can give it. You can click on down arrow on the right side. No, click on the access group. Access. No, there only. On the right side, you have it right. You have just clicked this application access. Correct. Below you have access. Click on down arrow. You'll get autocomplete. No, the down arrow is not working. It will come in down arrow. You can give your PRPC administrators. Under select that access group and now save it. Now this operator has access. That is all not required. Those things are all not required. Here email not required. Just save it. This record has 4 years in place. Go to work tab. You have given, click update. Click on update. Organization. You give. Let's create an organization. We are working for. As of now, you give the current organization. Whatever. You click on down arrow. Update iter. Point of time. Click on down arrow. You give dim org. Division. And it. Unit again. Submit. Now say division organization. Password. Please enter a password. Go to security tab. You create one password for this operator to log in. Rules you can keep. Rules 1, 2, 3. Password say. Flow. Now save it. Just click on save. Now you have created your operator ID. Now try to create one application. Click on Pega platform. New application. Cosmos Classic. Let's try Classic 1. Select Classic. Use this application type. Click on that. Backwards. Can you click on backwards? Select Classic. Use a Classic template to create an application that contains no predefined case. Steps or data text in the application. Products. Tools are available into this. Click on the Use This. Application. See the application. What we are trying to create now is a put order application. Some order kind of application. The application might be. You can use put order. Don't click on create application. Put order. You can use just order. Or online order also you can give. Anything will be fun. Now as a developer, every time we have to see the advanced configurations. How the advanced configurations look like. You can click on that advanced configuration. Advanced configuration. Application structure. Application structure is there. It is asking whether it's a framework or implementation. What is a framework? Framework is like a base level application. Frameworks are base level applications, where sometimes we will buy a framework from Pega Systems also. See what Pega Systems will do. Pega Systems company will create one generic application. Suppose there is a loan application. All the loan applications are the flow. Intention is same. Right. Like what the loan applications will do. Actually, whenever the user applies for a loan, they will collect some kind of information from the user and based on his assets and liabilities. They will actually grant some loan amount. This is the main theme of the loan application. What Pega Systems will do? Pega Systems will create a framework for all of his vendors, and it will sell that framework that all the vendors, like all the banks which are working with Pega Systems, will buy that framework if they like it, that one. And they will extend that framework as per their requirement. They will do some small customizations and they will use. In that scenario, you will select your application as a framework application, or else you will select your application as the implementation application. You can see the application. IDs online. It is actually restricting it. There is some capital. It is restricting. Here you do. Organization name also change to some code. Organization name. You change it. You change it to some. Your organization. Might be some. Cake master or something. You give some good organization name. Cake master. This is your organization. A division might be division only. Unit can be unit. Now if you see organization, application ID is there. You give some cake order you can give, or else I think this is instead you can give cake order. Application will be cake order in the below. It looks good, right? What it will do is like it will try to create a structure. Hi, cake order. You understand? Below you are giving organization, application, group name. It will try to create a structure, cake order. It will combine this group. Hyphen. You understand how it will create a structure, cake order, hyphen, hyphen, whatever you are creating, particular weak framework, weak framework, build, but cake framework. Suppose there something touched class application framework application application mean, meaning that there be framework application framework application frameworks mandate frameworks rule which framework implementation question with plat, platform, platform, framework, group, framework, application, framework, implementation, application, implementation, application, ah, and framework, what, framework, framework, content, operate, for address, properties with common cross region, right? Like in whatever comment field, right? Uh, implementation, application, they might specific in their mind, specific custom their application, implementation, understand framework, like application, framework, implementation, implementation, frameworks, mentor, directly, build, implementation, self, like, click, implementation, application, perf, directly, go, click, implementation, click there, generate, don't generate, right, click, create, application, optionally, congratulations, optional, operator, create, operate, administrator, click, uh, right, right, operate, application, administrator, understand, administrator, 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 operator, think, click, uh, administrator, there, which law, database, administrator, law, with, operator, that, something, administrator, did, commit, think, following, mouse operator, click, happen, doch things, uh, application, look, uh, click, 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 act, refresh, operate, action, right, right, ref, ref, administrator, app, the, la, operate, application, select the default application, click, platform, platform, right, platform, switch, switch, application, yeah, operate, wait, operate, create, operate, password, bot, bot, left, the, with, operate, deal, didn't, student, la, at, look, at, at, because, select, administrator, at, student, reason, the, love, log, with, operate, as, group, or application, right, whatever, create, use, application, log, direct, switch, platform, because that particular group, operate, 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 bot, bot, operate, click, operate, operate, groups, right, default, group, okay, or default, log, switch, application, 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 header, 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 application, click, because, groups, switch, application, right, understand, got, trying to, Sometimes like project information purpose. Let the different let agent planner functional administrator pose country don't specific environment administrator love as no clicking left there left not looking check replay country functional click or things exact project urgently administrator or access group operate whatever as default manager of administrators not treated correct operate as code create application creating my and application and having type like code co customer they may think right right create complaint something like created on the application the application creating the click explore chassis click the take take a work the create show it right to create application work group click the click information whatever creating the click connection it mark take table the, the word integral, map, particular, take, click, class, which, treated, cake, o, o, map, database, take, whichever, f, underscore, okay, underscore, underscore, there, create, got, this one, schema, whenever, created, that, structure, pick up, created, or structure, pick, I've, okay, I've, or, uh, me, group, that, parent, class, created, type, like, or, on, okay, or, other, grocery, or, created, to, type, with, t, class, particular, parent, like, okay, or, uh, hi, created, created, eh, created, contain, okay, relate, information, right, uh, create, pay, present, clipboard, let, create, click, 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 let's, or, click, setting, f, click, setting, structure, thing, structure, these things, system, generally, different, option, integration, whenever, create, integration, application, integration, understand, create, background, create, default, trans, minute, You understand it. Now we are in a case life cycle. Now if you click on App Explorer, refresh it. Click on a top arrow. Now that arrow refresh up. See, now you've got food order also. You can directly give work the -food order on the top itself. Search is there. Right search bar is there. There you can give after work. You can use -food order. You can select that one. See now, this is the food order class structure. This is our main case step class structure. See, it has created a few things already data pages. It has created any. If you click on a report, it will create a from report definitions, and these are all default. These are all some default things which system has created. For some internal processing and all, you got it. Yes, now this is an application lifecycle. Now here, let's see for every application, the design is very important. The design which we are doing initially is very important for future purpose. We need to think on future perspective of an application, like how it will behave, how exactly we can, how flexibilities, those things we have to keep in mind and we have to design our application. Generally, whenever we are doing any design things in your application, you have to be very careful. Now go to your application life. Second, you have to be able to create a new application. You can click on the tab that online food order is there. No, on the all right instance. Click on that. No, then the last but one tab. Can you click on last but one time? This is an application lifecycle. Now initially it has created one lifecycle like once. I think this looks like a screen flow. You click on that actions. Click on the action. No on the stop. There. Click on open. You will open the case type rules. Now what you will do is go to stages. Create, is that right? Create is the first stage you have. You remove this. Create like when rule is there, right? When rule you keep as never. You have some pixkey email, right? When rule, you have to do it. Right? When rule is there, right? When rule is there, right? When rule is there, right? Yes on the right side. Automatically launched processes to create stage. Automatically move to the below, no on the right side. There on this. Automatically launch automate. There is a when rule right. Here you have when rule right. You have when rule right. Here you have been ruled right. There is some other. When rule right. They have given some different vendor. It was created. You click on not equal to px. Is email is there right? You remove that one. You remove that one and give never. We don't require this one. We'll customize our own thing. Never means it will not execute. You just save this one. Click on save on the top. You have saved. Now what you will do? You click on the cake order rule set. Is there right? Cake or wonder 101. Under the header. Under the header. You have a class, right? Cake order for here. No, under the header itself, this one, yes, under it and under it, just go. You have was right. Come down. Now you do slowly. That is one. That is a room open and roll set. Now you do go to the security tab, security, and click on that. Use checkout rule management under that checkbox. Save it now. What does? It will do is like you will get check ins and check out photo. That case step, rule by default. Again the previous rule. No previous rule in the sense in the tab you have the previous tab. Right now you refresh this rule, actions and refresh. You will get check out. Now that's locked you. You have lock option there. You have click on that lock. What does that indicate? Operate doesn't have rule check button. Go to your operator. Third tab. Now go to security in your operator. You enable it. Allow rule check out. Second one is there right now. You save. Now go here and refresh. You saved your operator, right? Refresh actions. Go to that pivot default actions and refresh. Now you have checkout option now. Now, whenever you are making any changes to any rule, you have to check out the rule, make your changes, and again check in the rule. Now go to your application lifecycle. Open that one. Now let's create a life cycle. Let's first design it. Oh, generally you will order. Well, while ordering any product from any website, it will ask for their address details, right? What is the alike? What is shipping address and what is the current address? Right. Yes, delivery address. All right, you click on. The stage is the first one we have disabled. First create. We have set that create as never you. You need not bother off for that. Create. You understand what I'm trying to say. But create you, we have set that one as never. You saw right when we have set it as never. Yes, that stage will not execute. We'll try to customize our application from second stage. From here, you give the stage name as a meaningful name. Let's collect the delivery info, or collect address info, or collect info, or collect info, or collect info, whatever some meaning. Now click on the process, not process. You click on the step. Step. Click on the collect information. You got it. Now, here you write like collect a delivery address, like some other meaningful name, like choose delivery address or provide delivery address. Anything will be fine here in this. In this step, we are collecting some address from the user. Enter a delivery info something. After that, after choosing a delivery address, what we will do, we will choose some. We will show some user some products. We will show like some cake products we will show, or like some other products we will show, right, to place an order. You will write like you click on the next step. No, not on the stage, in the step. Click on the step again. We'll collect info, choose like a collector, like what you can give, collect the food information, or some collect cake or choose you can get, you can get, you can get, you can get, you can get you. There is another showing. After choosing a cake, what we will do, you will, it will be. It will be going for approval rejects for the shop, right? Like whatever you are. See in Swiggy what you will do whenever you placed an order. It will go for a restaurant acceptance, right? You will get, right? The restaurant has accepted your order. On the next stage, you give approval, reject. The next stage, is there no next stage? You give the name of a stage is approved, reject. Click on the step. Hyphen is actually not required, but it's. You click on the step and add this. Add is approved, approve, reject like our approve order. You can give approve order, see below. Whenever you have given approve, reject, below it was created, approval rejection. Alternative states, you see, and on the right side you can customize the approval. See on the right side. You see, it's a single level approval on the extreme right. You have right, there are some approval configurations there. You can select a single level approval or cascading. Cascading in the sense you, after one approval, it will go for another manager's approval. Yes, if suppose you are raising any claim, if you are raising any claim amount. If the claim amount is greater than 10,000, it will go for senior manager approval. Let's assume that approval configurations you can do from here. If you select cascading, can you sell cascading there? See, there's the reporting structure. Like reporting structure in the sense your managers, it will go, you understand. Or else if you give a authority matrix based on the conditions, it will choose to whom approval it has to go. There might be some conditions in an organization, right? Suppose if you are claiming some amount, if suppose the amount is greater than, or if suppose the amount is greater than 10,000, then it has to go for two level approval, like a second manager also has to approve. Or else if suppose the amount is less than, if suppose the amount is less than 10,000, then it has to go for single approval. In such scenarios, you will use this functionality. Whether it's a single level approval or cascading approval, but in our condition, it's a single level approval only. After approval is done, you add a third stage. Third stage, like payment info. You add a collector payment information like here. We will collect some card number, those kind of stuff. We will collect here collective payment info, payment type and card details. You can give anything. You give a short name. Payment type is fine. After that, what we will do? Once the payment is also done, we will send some email. You can click on the step, add step. No, there only can you under payment info, you click on that more. Now you search for send email. You can search email. Yes, send email. You can add. You have got that. No, you can click on selected send email. You are selected, select. Now what you have done here. After some payment is done, you will send some email notification to the user. This is a very small level application. This is not a real-time application just to use all the functionalities which we have discussed, like just to use the flows, flow actions, activities, data transforms properties. We will use all those rules to build up this application. Now you understand the high-level flow of our application, right? What is the flow like? First, you will collect some delivery address. After that, you will choose some cake. After that, you will go for approve or rejection. After that, you will collect some payment. We will send some email. You just click on save. I did, but it's showing like a newer version of this case. Refresh, refresh, refresh. You click on actions and refresh what happened. It has to say, whatever you try to configure that again, I think you have saved that. A step rule, right? That's why it didn't pick it up. You quickly give again. You choose like collect info, collect info. You can give collect info. Inside that first step is you collect delivery, you collect delivery, you collect delivery, you collect delivery. And after that, you can give collect cake info. Now you have another step. Right select cake info. That you approve. Reject. You can select that as approval. You approve. After that, it's a single level. I need to write only a bro. Any name you can write later. Also, you can change. That is not an issue. You can give here. Collect payment info, correct payment info. Here you can give enter payment details or something you can give. Collect information payment. And again you click on step. Click on more and search for email. Any questions till now? I have only a few like questions. Whenever we are writing this stage name, will it be like without space or it's to have space in this stage? Generally, you will not give any spaces. And this like I use this. I didn't get that, but people will not use spaces and they will use first letter as capital. There is a Pega practice. Click on save. We are not defining anything over here. Checkout, but the user is not allowed checkout. Checkout option. No one. Second, the rules that requires checkout. Create. You are getting error on create. Click on that create. Click on that create. Three dots will be there. No, click on the stage name. This the three dot here. Click on that. There is no delete. 1 second of following and this one of the process. The rule set requires a checkout, but user is not allowed to check out. Can you go to that? Okay, coder. You have open right one. Can I delete this one by anything? You can delete, but it will. Try to delete now. Click on save. We have that is not required by us. Can you go to the rule set once? No, yellow rule. Checkout is fine. This is where I can see that you can open that cake order. Last one is there. Last one. Is there a last tab here? Go to versions tab. First one of versions. This is already 1 second. Don't change. That is an application validation and you can save once. Try to save this one. Save this room. This correct and go there. Go to your life cycle. Now you try to save the same order you are getting. My question is, like when we did approve, reject this alternate stage and this stage came, but we didn't define anything over here. That is not a mandatory thing. Like whenever we have rejected, we can based on business requirement. Business is telling you trigger some email when rejection has happened or you process some amount refund when some rejection is happened. In such scenario, you will do what happened. Now why the terror is coming? Try to save one more time. No rule requires a checkout but user not. Or go to that. Click on actions. No, click on actions. Click on open. Case start. Click on open. Check out this rule. Once this checkout is not happening, right click close this one. Click on actions. Click on open. It's loading once. Try to reload or try to close this tab. This tab close. Try to open this one again. Click on actions. Click on open. Click on open. Click on open. Try to check out one more time. Are just getting the same error? Yes, go to your operator. Remove that yellow rule. Check out. You have that yellow rule. Check out. Right, go to your operator. Remove that one. Save it. Go to your app by default. You try. You close this one and try. Click on checkout first. Report bill unable to instant. You click on actions and refresh. Close this rule. Close this rule and try to open again from the application lifecycle actions and run actions and open 1 second. You will disappear. What you will do is go to your cake order. Cake order lifecycle. Is that right? Go to cake order. Let's not try to save. No, not this one application lifecycle. This one you are trying to save. Still the same error gone. Refresh. It will go because it was not saved. Right? If you refresh, it will get removed. Let's do one thing. Can you open that records? Click on the records. See, there might be some problem with the operator id. Click on the record here. Here on the left side, you have records. We click on organization, expand organization. Click on operator aid. You click on that fourth one is there, right? Administrator at the redpaga.com. Click on that one. You save as this operator. Once you go to security of this operator, security, yellow rule. Check out. Click Save as this operator. Let's save as this operator. You will get all the privileges. This operator. You change the name. Operator 8 is also the same. Create and open. Now update the password of this operator security. Update the password. Just click on. Go to your profile and add here. You can see you. Go to your profile and add cake order rules to this one cake order access group. Is there right? You add that cake order rule access room, Go to profile the last 10. Go to profile. Here you add. Click on plus icon and you add cake order administrators. Here you got administrators. You select that as a default. Save. Log off from this operator. Switch the studio now. Try to add. Click on the case types. Try to add. Click on the case types. Just a minute. Click new application. Correct application only. No new application is not required. We will use the same application. Click on the case type. Case type. And click on the code order. Now you add one stage here just only and try to save it. Just add one stage. Let's be lowering. Try to save it. Collect address. Your delivery address. You just save it 1 second. You have saved this one, right? Click on Actions and open the case type. This was in your checkout. Click on Checkout, just check out. Go to your Stages tab. Is there right? No, not there. Inside P by default, only you have stages you give. This is never. Is there right? You have. You just save it again. Now go to food order actions and refresh. Just actions and refresh. Now launch the portal. Click on the top launch. Is there right? No, the top header. Top header. You have launch right launch portal. Correct. Click on them. Click on case manager. Try to create a case. Just nothing was configured, but you can still create a case. Always in Pega. What we will do is, like some model operators will be there. From that, model operators. We will try to save that model operator with our operators. That we need not configure everything, organization, division, and unit everything. We need not configure it. It will come by default. It might be some issue while creating that a world old operator. That error came. Click on plus icon. You are just saying like operator, which we have created. For that operator, all privileges are not assigned. When we clone that administrator role and change with the chat and one operator all, whatever the pre-requested city was there for the administrator, it will come for our operator also. Yes, understood. Click on the new icon on the new. Is there at left side? You have new. Create a case, but nothing was configured. You will just get a, it's fine, one time is fine. You just get the advanced this case type. I guess it will take some time. I think nothing was configured, but you understand right what we have done. The delivery address table you dishram. You just got advanced this case separate because you haven't configured anything. If you click on advanced, it will just resolve. It will resolve. Thank you. The next step in this, and you have created 2 times right on foot order. That's where the case ends. There's 2. You understand. Now we shall configure the application lifecycle. See, you haven't configured the flow's properties, and alright, nothing was coming here. Good. Here give the choose cake also below delivery address. You give no here, it is fine. Here you got approve, reject and save. Just click on save one more time. It is getting saved right. Approve, reject. You give the step name as approved. Some step name. Next stage is like payment info because you are not doing right. I was just a bit worried. Are you getting right? I'm getting it. Oh, we are doing. We'll try to do something to my laptop to run. A new stage will be of email. Right, new stage is not required. You can delete the stage. You can add some email. Never notification, you just save it. Now can we we give a, we have given like Sunday mail, right? Can't we give like a phone number approval at all? Phone number approval like OT or digital. No. Send email is just an email notification. It is not any op or anything. We have configured email. In essence, it will send some email. What that? That op is there, right? That op also we can configure. But it has to integrate with some third-party system to send the text message. You see, what we have done is we have just we are in a design phase itself, like we are in a high-level overview. We haven't configured anything. We are just designing a life cycle, how our application looks like. These things are all will be done by business. Actually, like business will tell us like what type of things we need to do at what stage. What I'm trying to say. See, as a developer, we'll be working on technical things most of the time, not on the flow level things. Flow level things will be defined by business. Whatever the business is giving, we will define that in that way. You got my point. Now we have defined then life cycle, right? The back end of a life cycle is nothing but a flow. Now let's see whether the flow was. We have created a life cycle. Let's see whether flow was created or not. In the background, you hover on the collect delivery info. Oh, which one collect delivery info? Is there a second stage? No. Over and below you have one more. Collect delivery info. Write delivery address. No, this one. You click on that. That icon is there, not deleted. Click on that. One final process correct. Click on that. Click on the open process. On the right side, you have it open process. Now this is a flow rule. This rule was created by system itself. You have added 2 steps. Two steps came as in two assignment shapes. You understand what we are doing here. See, it was created by system itself. Whenever you're trying to modify lifecycle background, these flows will get modified. Got my point? Whenever you're trying to modify anything on application lifecycle background, what will happen? The flows will get modified. Is the point clear or any questions clear? It really requires much practice. We need to practice. Yes, correct. See, what I am trying to say is like whatever the changes you made in a life cycle, go to your life cycle. Put order in there. Put order is your life cycle. Click on stages and steps. You have the stages and steps button, right? We can even do like flow actions here itself. Right? Correct? You see, you have to just get familiar. See, this is a life cycle. Whenever you made any change to the life cycle, what will happen? A background, the flow will get changed. If you have added one more step below, then what it will do in the background? It will add one more assignment. Shape here, right? What? See, that is what I am telling. The life cycle is nothing but a flow. You try to add one more step, any dummy step. Click on that. Click on some test you can add here. Choose anything. Apply promo or something you add here. Choose your. You just save this one. You again click on that open process. See you. Can you understand what we are trying to do here? Whatever you change you made on a life cycle that will impact on a flow. You got it. Got it now without making a changes on application life cycle. If you are trying to add directly here on a flow level, it will get missed. It will get missed. Then what will happen? You will lose the capability to make a changes on life cycle, but that change will reflect in the process. But that change will reflect in the process means that change will get reflected in the process, but you will lose the capability to make changes through life cycle. You then what you have to do? Always you have to make changes from flow level, only flow level. When you have made a change directly in a flow, without a life cycle, you have directly checked out this rule and you have made a change, then what will happen? You will lose the ability to make a change in application life cycle. Got it? Yes, any questions till now? What we have done today is like we have created an one application. We have saw the class structure, how our class was getting created and how the table was being mapped automatically to our class, and then we have created one operator it. We have given the access for that operator it to our application, and we have configured an application case lifecycle, and we saw how actually a flow was getting created automatically when we have made modifications to application lifecycle. We have mentioned and we have referred only to something in plan submitted as we will. We have cleared because here is we have opened here. Gave autocorrect my personal name, Threadiris. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.